Hi, my name is Kristen Holmes, and I'm a junior double majoring in computer science with minors in data science and graphic design. Over the past year, I've been working with Dr. Katie Baker, Dr. Amy Schwab-McCoy, and Dr. Rebecca Gasper to assess the development of undergraduate data science as a major. Data science is one of the fastest growing career fields, and as a result, there has been a rapidly increasing demand for trained and qualified data scientists. Between 2010 and 2011, 80% of data science jobs that were created were not filled. And as of 2014, there are only 9 data science bachelor degree programs in the United States. Due to the rising demand and need for data scientists in a quickly growing field, faculty and administrators were left to quickly develop data science programs with virtually no research into what is being taught and what is needed to be taught. This study has been designed to understand what is currently being taught in data science programs across the country. Additionally, we are interested in knowing in what types of assessment techniques higher educators are using for data science and the results they are achieving with them. Because data science exists in a junction between statistics, mathematics, and computer science, we are also interested in how the background of higher educators and their experience impacts what they are teaching. For the first phase of this study, Dr. Baker, Dr. Schwab-McCoy, and Dr. Gasper surveyed higher ed data science instructors about the current assessment practices they were using. This survey sought to collect basic demographic information, as well as how the instructors were using different types of assessment technique, such as summative assessment and formative assessment, and they were asked to rate their effectiveness for data science. The goal of this survey was not only to understand what assessment techniques were currently being used in data science, but also to understand what kind of results they were achieving with them. Phase 2 of this study required an in-depth analysis of current data science programs. Each of the top universities in the United States who currently have data science programs were analyzed to collect their basic information about their data science program, such as which department it is being housed in and which courses are required for the major. The goal of this data collection was to examine what types of courses were being taught and required. Because mathematics, statistics, and computer science often approach assessment from different perspectives, it was important to note what types of courses were being taught and what department they were being housed in, and how this was impacting the assessment being used. This information was also used to develop our interview protocol. The final aspect of data collection will be created through interviewing higher ed data science instructors. Based upon the prior experience of data science programs and exploration of data of current assessment practices in Phase 1 and Phase 2, our interview protocol was designed to collect a variety of information about teaching and assessing data science. The interview was split into 4 main sections: demographics, perspective on data science, a course-specific section, and a section about the overall program. For demographics, instructors will be asked about their educational background, research interests, and types of courses they teach. This information of interest to us because we are interested in knowing how the background affects the topics being taught by the instructor and how they assess the course. For example, because many data science programs are in between statistics, mathematics, and computer science, we are interested to know how a course being taught by a computer science instructor may differ from a course being taught from a statistics professor or from a mathematics professor. We are also interested to see how their background impacts their assessment techniques, such as if computer science professors are only using assessment techniques usually seen in computer science, and vice versa for other subjects. We will then ask instructors to describe their overall perspective on what data science is. Because there is no true definition for data science is at an undergraduate level, we are interested in seeing how each instructor defines it. We are also interested to see how each instructor ranks and prioritizes different topics in data science, such as data cleaning, data visualization, statistical modeling, big data, and other topics. Because there are many definitions of data science, we believe it is important to understand how each of our interview subjects understands what data science is before continuing with our interview. Next, we will ask instructors to walk us through a specific course that they teach. We are interested in the background development of the course, the target demographic of students, and how the course is assessed. We will also ask instructors to provide us with a sample assessment for the course that we can analyze it further. We are interested to see how instructors describe the success of the course and how it has changed over time. We are also interested to know if our instructors that are currently teaching the course designed it themselves or if it was designed by a previous instructor and they are now teaching it. We think that this will be interesting to see how it impacts the assessment over time of the course. Finally, we will ask instructors about their data science program as a whole. We are interested in the size of the department, the background of other faculty in the department, and how they chose to separate and distinguish topics, as well as what resources they used in designing the program. Because most data science programs are relatively new, we think this is important to note in our results, because the results and achievements of a university that has been teaching it for over 10 years will likely vary differently and should be analyzed differently than a program that is less than a year old. We plan on completing the interviews in the spring of 2021, with the goal to finish our analysis of interviews by the end of May. This is an overview of our project and what we have completed so far, as well as what we plan to complete this year. I look forward to any questions about the project. Thank you.